What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are back. Oh man, I've been out of commission for a couple of days, so that's why you haven't seen me uploading. Thank you to my loyal subscribers on the channel. I do apologize, but I've been under the weather, man. I'm back healthy now. Please keep me and my family in your prayers. Something is going around like a stomach bug or something, man. But we were just under the weather for the Christmas break. I just laid in the bed all day, but I'm back in business, guys. I'm back, uploading content for you guys. Today's video, guys, is dedicating to talk to you about what exactly are you going to be doing for 2025 to generate a part-time income working from home. All right. And that's what we want to talk about tonight, guys. As you see, guys, you are on my channel. Everything that's on my YouTube channel, guys, I have done myself. I created myself. I do all my thumbnails myself. I create my content myself. So I don't hire nobody to do anything on my YouTube channel. I do everything myself. Everything is original. Everything is authentic. So anything that I'm putting on this channel, guys, know that I am working it. Okay, I don't just send you to something that I'm not doing myself. So every day that you see me uploading, guys, I'm just showcasing and showing you that, hey, I'm a family man. Hey, I'm just here to make extra money, you know, to take vacation. Hey, I still do have a full-time job, but eventually I want to turn this into a full-time machine to where it's pumping out money every single week, all right, and every single month, guys. So guess what? We're not getting younger, we're getting older. Okay, so we got to start thinking about retirement, exactly what we want to do in life, you know, and how exactly we want to continue to make this money. All right, 2025, guys, is right around the corner next week. And I just want to know what your plans are. All right, comment below. All right, comment below. Let me know what your plans are. All right, so I'm telling you what my plans are for 2025, and I'm showing you exactly what I'm going to be doing to build and to make money working part-time from home. All right, so if we scroll through my channel right here, guys, we're on my YouTube shorts. And I just want to talk about my YouTube shorts and show you exactly how much I have grown ever since I have posted my first YouTube short video right here. You can see right here how to make money mailing postcards, right? Got 255 views, right? So this is views that I'm getting on top of my loan content, my loan videos that I'm posting. So the more YouTube shorts that you're posting, guys, the more traffic that you're going to start getting to your YouTube channel and traffic that you're going to start getting to your business opportunity. But it just shows you exactly, it lets you know that I know what I'm doing and what I'm talking about. You can see the views that I'm getting on a daily basis just by posting YouTube shorts and posting stuff that people are looking for and what people are interested in. The next video, 367, but you can see how it's going on right there, 153. I think my most viral one was, I got the most on this one right here, 637. But these right here are competing, 601, 637, and 631. 601, 637, and 631. So these are neck and neck right here so far as views. But you can see how much I have grown. Right there's traffic being drawn, 303 right there. And I think my next one was right here, how I make money from YouTube. My YouTube channel be making me money. 523 views. All right, so now I just uploaded a new one right here, coming in hot. So if you want to check that out, guys, I mean, you can use the same content that I'm using, just repost it and put it in your own words. I don't mind at all. But most of the videos that you see, YouTube shorts that you see me making, guys, I have that postcard in the background. I call that my little billboard. You know how you're going down the highway and you see these big old billboards on the side of the highway? Well, that's called a form of advertisement, okay? People are advertising to get your attention to see if you will go to their website to check out their product. So it's just like my postcards. And once they get that postcard in the mail, it can't be missed. It's not going to be covered up by the other mail. It's a 6x9 jumbo. It's a big boy. 6x9 jumbo postcard. That once people get it, you see the colors. I chose black and yellow so they can stand out amongst all the other mail that's in your mailbox. You know, 'cause most of your envelopes that's coming in your mailbox are white. So once they get that right there, they're going, oh man, they want to check it out. So you wanted to catch their attention, right? You wanted to catch their attention, and once it catch their attention, it intrigues them to want to know more. And guess what? It drives them to their your website to check it out. So that's what I use. I use a system. My system does everything for me, does all the selling and telling for me, signs up the member, and then I get a check in the mail. The kit is mailed out to them. That's what I love it. I love this business. Easy, simple, and it's duplicatable. But you have to put in the work. Anything that you join, anything that you're going to do for 2025, you're going to have to put in that work. Also, guys, time is running out. Okay, time is running out. Okay, you need to make up your mind this year exactly what you want to do for 2025 and lock in. Let's lock in for 2025. Okay, make up your mind. Okay, quit jumping from program to program, from program to program. Every time you see somebody posting something, you in that program. Then something else come out a month later, you in that program. And you never spent the time to really learn how to build that one program. Okay, guys, I just added another program at the end of this year. I've been in this program for 2 years. So for 2 years, I've been learning how to mail the postcards, how to track the postcards. So now I track my postcards so I can show you exactly how I'm getting, how many opt-ins I'm getting in from my mailings, from my postcards. I'll show you exactly how to do that as well too. But so yeah, guys, if you're interested in learning, I do have a playlist. All right, so make sure you check out my playlist, guys. I'm in this playlist right here. I am going to uncover everything, show you exactly how to set it up. All right. So in this playlist right here, how I earn money part-time working from home, I'm going to show you exactly how to set everything up from your system, where I get my leads from to mail my postcards to, how to track your postcards, how to set up the back office of your system. Everything's going to be in this playlist. So if you're interested in that, guys, go ahead and subscribe to that playlist so you can stay in tune, so I can show you exactly what I'm doing for 2025 to make money. All right, let's go back to my channel. Let's look at my, manage videos. Let's look at my analytics. Let's see how much when I stopped posting, look how much it dropped. Man, look at my views. This is how much my views dropped, guys, as I wasn't posting. This is when I was sick. Man, all right, so now I'm back posting. Get them views back up on my channel, guys. But yeah, 2025 is going to be epic, guys, and I want you to share it with me. I want you to be a part with me, guys, and I want to share exactly how I'm going to build 2 income streams and 1 for 2025. All right, until the next video, guys. I'll see you. Have a good night. Peace.